Hello children, today we are going to revise what we have learned in the previous period. Do you remember what we have learned? We learned numbers 1 to 9, 0, bigger and smaller, more or less and equal. Now children, let us count the numbers on the caterpillar. Are you all ready? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now children, let us count and say, how many butterflies? There is one butterfly. How many flowers? There are two flowers. How many balloons are there? There are three balloons. How many girls are there? There are four girls. How many colorful pencils are there? There are 5 pencils. How many cars are there? There are 6 cars. How many little girls are there? There are 7 girls. How many cycles are there? There are 8 cycles. How many colorful toys are there? There are 9 toys. Now children, let us count and write. How many birds are there? There is one bird. How many girls are there? There are 2 girls. How many gifts are there? There are 3 gifts. How many ducks are there? There are 4 ducks. How many pretty colorful butterflies are there? There are 5 butterflies. How many cats are there? There are 6 cats. How many fishes are there? There are 7 fishes. How many grasshoppers are there? There are 8 grasshoppers. How many insects are there? There are 9 insects. Now children, let us learn number names. ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9. Now children, let us count and write numbers 1 to 9. 1 finger, 1 star, 1 bead, 1 owl. Let us write number 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now let us count number 2. 2 fingers, 2 stars, 2 beads, 2 birds. Now let us write number 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now, let us count 3. 3 fingers, 3 stars, 3 beads and 3 hippos. Come on, let us write 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Now, let us count number 4. 4 fingers, 4 stars, 4 beads and 4 deers. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Now children, let us count number 5. 5 fingers, 5 stars, 5 beads and 5 zebras. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Now let us count number 6. 6 fingers, 6 stars, 6 rabbits. Now let us write number 6. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Now let us count 7. 7 fingers, 7 stars, 7 beads and 7 elephants. Let us write number 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Now let us count 8. 8 fingers, 8 stars, 8 beads and 8 monkeys hanging from the tree. Come on, let's write number 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Children, here we have 9 fingers, 9 stars, 9 beads and 9 giraffes standing straight. Now let us count and write number 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Now let us match the pictures with the number names. 4 rabbits, 5 birds, 8 butterflies, 7 ducks, 3 dogs, 6 bees, 9 frogs. Let us count and match the pictures with their number. 6 cakes, 2 cakes, 5 cakes, 4 cakes, 3 cakes. Now let us count and match the dots. 2 dots, 5 dots, 4 dots, 6 dots, 3 dots and finally 1 dot. Now here children, here also we are going to count and match the dots. Okay? Come on, let us count. 7 dots, 8 dots, 4 dots, 9 dots, 5 dots and 3 dots. Now let us start the concept of 0. Wow! Look, there is a mouse. Now this mouse is tired, so he went to sleep. Can you see any mouse? No, 0 mouse. Both the butterflies flew away. Now, is there any butterflies? 0 butterflies. Wow! Look at the colorful balls. All the balls rolled away. Now, how many balls are there? There are 0 balls. Look at the children. They all went to play. Now, how many children are there? There are 0 children. Wow! So nice colorful fishes. But a fisherman caught them all. Now, how many fishes are there? There are 0 fishes. Look at the turtles. They all went for a picnic. Now, how many turtles are there? There are 0 turtles. Look at the dogs. They went for a walk. Now, how many dogs are there? There are 0 dogs. Mama made 8 glasses of juice and gave it to her friends. Now, there are 0 glass of juice. Look at the colorful birds. All the birds flew away. Now, how many birds are there? There are 0 birds. Children, fill in the empty boxes. 2 monkeys hanging on a tree. 2 monkeys jump away. Monkeys now 0. 3 beads in a string. 3 beads roll away. Beads now 0. 6 apples in a plate. 6 apples are eaten. Apples now 0. 4 butterflies on the flowers. 4 butterflies fly away. Butterflies now 0. 5 glasses of juice on a tray. 5 glasses of juice are drunk. Glasses of juice now 0. Now children, let us tick the tree with 0 apples. Let us tick the tree in the first row with 0 apples. Let us tick the tree in the second row with 0 apples. Now, let us tick the tree in the third row with 0 apples. Let us draw arrow to the nest with 0 eggs. First, let us draw arrow to the first empty nest with 0 eggs. Now, let us draw arrow to the nest with 0 eggs. Tick the tree with 0 apples. Let us tick the tree in the first row with 0 apples. Let us tick the tree in the third row with 0 apples. Now children, tick the bowl with no soup in it. Tick the tree with 0 leaves. Tick the glass with no juice in it. Children, tick the cage with 0 birds. Children, let us count and write the number of birds on the branch. First, let us count the birds on the first branch. 1, 2, 3. Now let us count the birds on the second branch. 1, 2. Now let us count the birds on the third branch. 1. Now let us count the birds on the fourth branch. 0. Children, revise all the topics nicely. Bye. Take care.